Welcome to the best picks. The best baking sheet is probably one of the most underappreciated tools in any kitchen, especially if you're a serious baker. From perfectly golden cookies to evenly cooked pastries, a good baking sheet is the foundation of countless delicious creations. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of commercial baking sheets, helping you find the perfect fit for your baking needs. Number 5. Checkered Chef Baking Sheet and Rack Set. Introducing the perfect combo for all your cooking needs. This set includes an aluminum cookie sheet and a stainless steel rack. Use it for healthier, drip-free meals or to bake your favorite treats. This stainless steel rack is designed for any situation. Whether it's in the oven or cooling down cookies, it's built to last. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen. Say goodbye to burnt bottoms. This baking tray set offers superior heat conductivity. The rolled edges provide extra strength, preventing warping. It ensures even baking every time. The large wire rack and sheet pans are designed to work together seamlessly. The pan measures 18 by 13 inches, and the rack is 17 by 12 inches for a perfect fit. They are also great separately. Both the oven rack and cookie sheets are machine washable. This saves you time and effort in the kitchen. Spend more time cooking and less time cleaning. What we like. This set comes with both a baking sheet and a rack, making it a complete solution for all your baking needs. The sturdy pan design ensures even heat distribution, preventing burnt bottoms. If you are looking for a convenient and comprehensive baking set, you should consider this one. What people say. It's the best bacon pan I've ever owned, and oven cooks bacon perfectly every time. The Checkered Chef Baking Sheet and Rack Set solves the problem of the bacon sitting in the grease. The aluminum half-sheet pans provide excellent heat conductivity, so you can finally say goodbye to burnt bottoms. Number 4. Ultra Cuisine Aluminum Baking Sheet Pan Set. These commercial-grade aluminum baking sheet pans from Ultra Cuisine ensure even baking. They are designed with premium aluminum and a reinforced steel rim to prevent warping. This set of 2 is perfect for all your baking needs. Cleaning is a breeze with these pans. The 1.3-inch high steel reinforced rim prevents spills and warping. While hand washing is recommended, the quality aluminum ensures they will last a lifetime. Made with high-grade, food-safe aluminum, these cookie sheet pans are non-toxic and oven-safe. Use them for cookies, roasting, or jelly rolls. It's a perfect choice for the whole family. Ultra Cuisine baking pans are designed to withstand high temperatures without rusting. The top-grade aluminum ensures they are ready for any kitchen task. You can rely on them for years to come. These jelly roll sheet pans are proudly designed in Colorado, USA. They also come with a free recipe ebook. Enjoy a lifetime of happy baking with this Ultra Cuisine set. What we like. This baking sheet is made with commercial-grade aluminum and a reinforced rim, ensuring it won't warp over time. The easy-to-clean design saves you time and effort. If you are a serious baker who values durability and ease of use, you should consider this one. What people say. They are sturdy and cookies don't stick. High rim and excellent cleanability. They are sturdy with smooth edges. Number 3. Ultra Cuisine Baking Sheet with Cooling Rack Set. Introducing the Ultra Cuisine Baking Sheet and Cooling Rack Set. This versatile set is perfect for all your baking, roasting, and cooking needs. Use them separately or together, the possibilities are endless. Cleaning up is a breeze with this set. The cooling rack is dishwasher safe, and the baking sheet is easy to hand wash. For best results, consider using parchment paper or silicone baking mats. The aluminum half-sheet pan is durable, food-safe, and warp-resistant. It's designed with a reinforced steel rim for long-lasting performance. This ensures that it will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. The cooling rack is made of 100% 304 stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust or flaking. It's dishwasher and oven safe, offering superior quality and durability. This rack is designed to last. This sheet pan is perfect for baking, roasting, and even grilling. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen, making cooking and meal prep easier than ever. You'll find yourself reaching for it again and again. What we like. This set includes both a baking sheet and a stainless steel cooling rack, offering versatility in your kitchen. The easy-to-clean design makes cleanup a breeze. If you like a versatile and durable baking set, you should consider this one. What people say. Great baking sheet with grid, perfect for so many poultry and fish dishes. The feet on the rack are only an inch, but higher than most and keep the food out of the grease and allows for good air circulation. The bottom of pan is dimpled, which reduces the possibility of food sticking to it, but maybe not the best for baking, but it seems to clean up nicely. Number 2. Saffron and Sage Aluminum Baking Sheet and Rack. Tired of flimsy baking pans? This set is made of thick aluminum and a reinforced steel rim, so it can handle high temperatures without warping. It's designed to last, without any coatings that peel or rust. Prepare meals more efficiently with this 18 by 13 inch cookie sheet and removable rack. You can cook in larger batches and prep your meals for the week. It's non-toxic, BPA-free, food-safe, and easy to clean. Baking is fun and rewarding with the right tools. The natural aluminum ensures even heat distribution, so you'll get perfectly baked goods every time. No more burnt bottoms. This set is perfect for countless recipes. Use it for roasting, broiling, grilling, and more. You can make everything from grilled meats to delicious desserts. The possibilities are endless with it. We believe every good thing begins at home. This set helps you create those special moments with your family. Happy baking with this wonderful product. What we like. This baking sheet is made of thick aluminum with a reinforced steel rim, ensuring it won't warp or rust. Its heavy-duty construction makes it perfect for frequent use. If you are looking for a long-lasting and reliable baking sheet, you should consider this one. What people say. Cookie sheet with cooling rack. It's the perfect size to cool 2 cakes, cookies, or meat to set on to rest. It is functional and not too heavy, but you can tell it's made of quality materials. It bakes the cookies well. It is not flimsy but very sturdy. It has a lot of space for food. Excellent quality, heavy duty, and great for baking cookies. Number 1. Nordic Ware Naturals Cookie Sheet, commercial quality. Introducing the Nordic Ware Naturals Cookie Sheet. This premium pan is designed for perfect baking results. Made of pure aluminum, it will never rust. This ensures even browning every time you bake. The 3 raised edges make it easy to grasp. Baked goods slide right off the smooth front edge. Cleaning is simple. Just hand wash it after use. This will keep it in great shape for years. This cookie sheet is proudly made in the USA. You can trust its quality and durability. The exterior dimensions are 15.7 by 13.9 by 1 inches, with interior dimensions of 14.1 by 13.1 by 1 inches. It's the perfect size for your baking needs. What we like. This pan is made of pure aluminum, ensuring even browning every time. The design includes raised edges for easy handling. If you like a simple, high-quality baking sheet, you should consider this one. What people say. The Nordic Ware traditional cookie sheet is a nice medium weight. Another feature, which is becoming difficult to find in reasonably priced baking pans, is the absence of any type non-stick coating. Best of all, these pans were manufactured in the United States. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.